Sage, this new COVID variant could kill 1 in 3, a realistic possibility. The Delta variant is deemed the most dangerous of all COVID variants to date. However, a group of experts suggests that something deadlier may emerge, and its death rate may be closer to MERS, another disease caused by a coronavirus. But this predicted new variant could be a much less severe disease in older people and those who are clinically vulnerable depending on how things play out. According to Yahoo, the predicted new variant was revealed in a paper written by the Scientific Advisory Group of Emergencies, or SAGE. The document looked into the long-term evolution of the COVID-19 virus, or SARS-CoV-2. It also showed that the total elimination of the virus is very unlikely and is expected to spawn more variants in the future. One of the scenarios in the paper involved a variant that could cause severe COVID in more people than previously recorded. The death rate in this scenario is estimated to be 10% like in SARS and 35% like in MERS. So, how would such a scenario happen? Experts link the scenario to a recombination of either two variants of concern or variants under investigation. For instance, the recombination of beta and alpha or gamma and delta variants might unleash that scenario. Another scenario involves a variant that could dodge current generation vaccines. This might happen with an antigenic shift where SARS-CoV-2 gets something from different coronaviruses, including MERS-CoV and endemic types. Here, the shift could lead to a variant with a whole new set of antigens, which antibodies from current vaccines might not attach to. The third scenario involved a drug-resistant variant, something that might hinder long-term efforts against COVID-19. How so? Drug resistance may mean less effectiveness of antiviral strategies, and that said, we don't even have one safe and effective antiviral for all COVID cases yet. Of the three scenarios, the recombination of two variants is most likely to happen and has a high impact on communities. Since vaccines cannot provide 100% protection, the new variant may still affect even vaccinated people. Fortunately, there are many ways to lower the risk of this deadlier variant emerging. First, consider vaccine boosters to maintain protection. Second, reduce the transmission of the coronavirus worldwide. Third, minimize the access of variants in territories. Fourth, continue to develop new treatments and vaccines. And fifth, track down disease severity related to variants.